Welcome back everyone. In this video we're going to discuss squares and square root. This video is a continuation to the previous video, so please make sure to watch that video first and you can come back to this video. The link is in the description. So without any further ado, let's get started. The topic that we're going to cover here is square roots. Okay, so square roots is nothing but reverse of squares. What do I mean by that? Let's understand this with the help of an example. Let's say if you have 2 square. Now we know 2 square means 2 into 2, which is 4. Then reverse means square root of 4 will be equal to 2. So square root of 4 will be equal to 2. Let's take another example. If 8 square is equal to 64, we know that 8 square means 8 into 8, which is equal to 64. Then square root of 64 will be the reverse, that is 8. Similarly, 9 square is 81. Then square root of 81 will be equal to 9. So now that we have understood what square root is, let us discuss the first method to find the square root. So the first method is prime factorization. Now before we move to prime factorization, we must know which are the prime numbers. So the prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and so on. Okay, so let's do the first question only. Square root of 4. So square root of 4 means you have to write 4 and you have to prime factorize it. Okay, so how do you prime factorize? That means you have to divide it by the prime numbers. So let's take 2, then 2 2s are 4. Now 2 is again a prime number, so we can stop here. Okay, so we see that we get 2 into 2, then we make a pair of these two, so you'll get 2 squared. Okay, then this 2 can come out of the square root and we will simply get 2. Let us understand this with the help of another example. Let's say we have square root of 400. So first of all, we'll have to prime factorize 400. This is how you prime factorize 400. 2 into 200 is 400. 2 into 100 is 200. 2 into 50 is 100. 2 into 25 is 50. Now 2 into 5 is 25. So we'll make a pair, 1 pair, 2 pair and 3 pair. Okay, the pair has to be between the same numbers. So this pair will become 2 square, this pair will become 2 square and this pair will become 5 square. So now that they are squared, they can be brought out of the square root. So this will become just 2, this will become 2 and this will become 5. So we'll have 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 5, 20. Let us take one more example. Square root of 1764. So the first task is to find the prime factors. So 1764. Now we'll divide this by 2. 2 8s are 16. So 16 carry 1. Then 2 8s are 16. Then 2 2s are 4. Then again 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8 and 2 1s are 2. 3 1s are 3. So carry 1. 3 4s are 12. So carry 2 and 3 7s are 21. Then again 3 4s are 12. So carry 2 and 3 9s are 27. 7 7s are 49. So if you make a pair 2 2, 3 3 and 7 7, so it will become 2 square into 3 square into 7 square. Then this will come out of the square root, it will become 2, this will come out, become 3, this will come out and it will become 7. 2 3s are 6, 6 7s are 42. Okay, so here we're assuming that you know how to prime factorize. So if you do not know how to prime factorize, please make sure that you learn how to prime factorize first. Let us look at one more question where you don't have the numbers but instead you have some variables too. Okay, so let's see the number. The number is 9. If you prime factorize 9, you get 3 3. So if you make a pair, it'll become 3 square. Now a to the power 4 can be written as a square and a square. Okay, because a square into a square means a 2 plus 2, the exponent rule, and you get a to the power 4. Similarly for b. Okay, b to the power 8 can be written as b square into b square into b square into b square, that is 4 times. So when they come out of the square root, 3 square will become 3, a square will become a square will become a, b square will become b and so on, and you'll get 3. A into a is a square, b 4 times means b to the power 4. Let us solve some numerical from this book. So the first one is, if 8 into 8 is 64, then what is square root of 64? We know that if 8 into 8 is 64, then square root of 64 means reverse, right? So square root of 64 will be simply 8. Similarly, if 11 into 11 is 1 to 1, then square root of 1 to 1 means reverse, so it will be 11. And similarly, 25 into 25 is 625, so square root of 625 is reverse, that is 25. Okay, now if 15 square is equal to 2 to 5, then square root of 2 to 5 is again reverse, so 2 to 5 reverse is 15. Okay, the next set of questions are going to be slightly different. So if you see the fifth question, if 2 into 9 into 2 into 9 is 324, then square root of 324 is, so we know again reverse. Now when you apply the reverse, you see that there's not just one number, there are two. Okay, but we know that 2 into 9 multiplied by 2 into 9 means this whole thing is being multiplied with itself, so we can write it as 2 into 9 square. Okay, so 3 to 4, square root of 3 to 4 will be simply 2 into 9, which is equal to 18. Okay, let us understand this with the help of another example. So it's given that 2 into 3 into 5 into 2 into 3 into 5, again we have to notice that they are same numbers, is 900, then square root of 900 is, so reverse, so it will be 2 into 3 into 5, which is nothing but 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30. Then similarly this into this is 1764, so square root of 1764 will be reversed, so it will be 2 into 3 into 7, so 2 into 3 is 6, 6 7s are 42. Okay, let's see this one. If 7 into 11 into 13 squared is equal to 1002001, then what will be the square root of this number? So again the reverse, so square will be disappeared, so you'll get 7 into 11 into 13. Let us now solve the question shown on the left hand side of your screen. Find the square root of 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 4 into 4. Okay, so we have square root of this number is equal to, so what we do is we again pair it up. Since this is already prime factorized, we don't need to prime factorize, so this will be 1 pair, 2 pair and 3 pair. Now we know 2 into 2 means 2 square, 3 into 3 means 3 square, 4 into 4 means 4 square. So from here 2 square will come out as 2, 3 square will come out as 3 and 4 square will come out as 4. So 2 into 3 into 4, 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24. Let us see another question. Find the square root of 144 a to the power 4 b square and c square. Okay, so square root of 144 a to the power 4 b square c square is equal to, so since here the prime factors are not given, we'll have to prime factorize 144. So if you prime factorize 144, you get this number. Okay, so you make a pair, so 2 2 2 2 and 3 3. Now 2 into 2 means 2 square, then this 2 into this 2 means again 2 square, 3 into 3 means 3 square. A to the power 4 can be written as a square, a square. Now b square, c square can be written as they are. So 2 square when it comes out will become 2, 2, 3, a square will become a square will become a, b square will become b, c square will become c. So you get 2 into 2 is 4, 4 3s are 12, a into a is a square and b into c. Let us see one more question shown on the left hand side of your screen. So find the square root by prime factorization method. Okay, so it is very important that we do only using the prime factorization method. We'll be discussing one more method in the next video. So square root of 7744 by prime factorization. So let us prime factorize first. So 7744, so if you prime factorize, this is the number that you will get. Okay, then what we do is we pair these numbers in this way. Okay, so this will become 2 square, so 2 square, 2 square, 2 square, and this will become 11 square. Now this will come out of the square root as 2, 2, 2, 11, and when you multiply this you get 88. So we have square root of 7744 equal to 88. Let us see the last two questions for this video. The question is shown on the left hand side of your screen. You have to simplify this. Okay, so how do you simplify this? We know that we'll have to basically find the square root of this number. Okay, now square root of a square into b to the power 4, we have to write them in the square form. So a square is a square, nothing to do there, but b to the power 4 has to be written as b square into b square. So when a square comes out, becomes a, b, b, a will remain a, b into b is b square. So a into b square, or it can be just simply written as ab square. Okay, let us do one more question. Square root of 2 to the power 8 into 3 to the power 4. So we have to bring this as 2 to the power square and here 3 square. Okay, so 2 to the power 8 means 2 square, 2 square, 2 square, 2 square 4 times. As if you add 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, you should get back 8. Then 3 to the power 4 means 3 square into 3 square, 2 plus 2 giving back 4. Then this will come out of the square root as shown here. Okay, so 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3. Okay, just the squares will be removed, as simple as that. Then when you multiply, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are 48, 48 3s are 144. Square roots are very simple but require rigorous practice. So make sure you practice maximum questions, and if you have any queries you can drop it in the comment box. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you in my next video. Take care everyone.